Hello and welcome to the automation land. This is Hamim. So in the previous video, we have seen method overriding and polymorphism. So in this video, we're gonna be talking about and we're gonna be doing some practice on array, Java array. So what is a Java array? So array is basically a container that holds multiple same types of value. Okay. So we're gonna be learning the array today. Okay. So I'm gonna create a class and I'm gonna name it array practice. All right, and then what you're going to do? So we're going to have a method. All right, and then okay, so let's just do main method, just keep it simple. All right, and then what you can do is like we want to keep some like multiple string values in single variable. So we can store them in the container like an array. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is like we're gonna do string, and then array sign is this. All right, the square bracket, and then we're gonna do AR. Okay, ARGS is already there, so we can do ARR equal to curly braces. All right, and then we're gonna have the multiple values over here. So you're gonna do, this is a string, so let's say cat. All right, and then let's do dog. All right, and let's do cow. All right. Okay. So this is our array that's holding multiple value, right? So that's gonna be like value number 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let's say that I want to get. So let's say I want to get the first value from here. Okay. So how do I do it? So in order to get this first value, just remember array always starts from index 0. Okay. So let's say that I want to get the first value. All right, I want to get the first value and I want to store it in a string. All right, so I'm gonna do string, let's say store equal to, all right, and then I'm gonna do arr dot arr and then 0. All right, so that's where I'm storing the first value, which is gonna be 0 is cat. All right, so I'm storing that in a string variable. All right, I want to print that out. Okay, and then simply just do store. All right, um store. So if I want to print that value, so right now if I run this program, so cat is gonna print out. All right, so let's see. So yeah, cat. All right, so let's say I want to get the second value. All right, so that's gonna be 1. So that's 0, that's 1, and that's 2. All right, and then if I want to print it out, so that's gonna be dot. All right, and then 2, the last index is gonna be 2. All right, so that's gonna be 2. So another way to see like how many length, like the length has on the array. All right, so that way what you can do is like you can use the dot length from here to see the length of the array. All right, so for that what you can do, arr dot length. All right, so this is gonna return you a integer. All right, so I'm gonna store it in an int. Let's say l equal to that. All right, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to print out that length. All right, so let's see what happens. L, so that's gonna show us the length of that array. All right, so it's 3. All right, so the length is length of the array is 3. All right, and the index starts from 0, 0, 1, 2. All right, so that is all about the array, and you can have like an integer array or maybe like some other thing like the short and all this thing. Okay, but the array is like like we all use array with the string and also sometime int. Okay, so that's all about the array. You can have int array like let's say n arr equal to, and then you're gonna have to only store the integer value over here. All right, and then you can just print them out just like that. Okay, so yeah, that's all about the array. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.